Hi everyone, my name is Emily Volker and I am a market partner with Monat, and I'm going to do just a quick little instructional piece for my new market partners, a couple of tools when you log into your system that you want to make sure that you are aware of, and are some great resources as well as some things to be aware of so that you don't get charged for an upper level website. So just going to log into my Monat. Once you get in there, you're going to go right away. When you log in, you see a nice little dashboard of where you are that month, how you're doing, how you're progressing. But right away, make sure you go to Account and then click on Subscription. And you want to make sure that you select the Lite subscription. Because if you don't, they will charge you $19.95 a month for the higher level web-based tools that when you're just getting started, you don't technically need all the pieces that you can have access with that. So make sure you do that right away. You can take a look and check out, update your social media settings, notifications, what you want to get notified, what email address you want to get notified with, and there's some nice little email templates, but some of those things you can't get unless you have the higher website. So then I just always go back just to my home screen right here. It just gives me the overview of everything. And if I go into the business area, that's where you can enroll a new MP, enroll a new VIP, or if you just have somebody that wants to order retail, you can do that there. That also is where if you want to order products for yourself, will do your shopping. Let me just go into the shop right now. This should come up the same for VIPs and market partners. If there's ever a promotion going on, that will always come up on top. Otherwise, your options are to look at the systems, the shampoos. So let's say we're going to look at the shampoo right here. It's the Renew shampoo, and I'm logged in as a market partner, so it's showing me what my cost is for that. The retail price, it's crossed off, but it also tells you the retail price. And at one point, I thought it showed the VIP price, but the VIP price is 15% off of retail. So that's kind of handy when you go into your shop. And then FlexShip, when you go in there, make sure that when you're looking at your FlexShips that you've pushed out a new FlexShip date so that it doesn't show up in the mail and you had forgotten about it. When you go under Tools, that's where when you go to Marketing Site, you automatically have a site with your name and information on it that you can pass along to customers, to people, to provide them with more information. Also, when you go underneath the tools, there is a resource library that comes in really handy. You can click around. They have informational sheets about the compensation. They have some great marketing tools. If you're just looking for something to get out to people, the one piece that's kind of nice are some of the product videos that it explains the products a little bit more. And then also just simple product information sheets, or even the system information sheets are nice. And you can download those, email them out, share them with your customers, or have them as a resource to help you, give you more specific information about the products. So that's under Tools, where you have that resource library. Market Partner Academy, when you click on that, it actually takes you to a separate site that has training videos and the training center, and you want to make sure that you're working through these training pieces right when you get started so you can learn even more about the products that you'll be using. Next, there are some Vibe training videos that you can go through that explains how to do just the various business tools that you can use and do for the company. And then when you click on Vibe Reports, that comes in kind of handy if you just do a quick dashboard summary. It'll give you an overview of the last 6 months and how you did. I started up in October, so you can see I've gone up, and then down. but it kind of gives you a nice overview. If you want to know who is in who's part of your team and your downline, click on the linear view and then plus sign, and then it'll show you who is all below you, if that makes sense. So that's kind of nice if you need to get a hold of somebody. I'm pretty sure one of these options, it will provide you with, for like if I needed to get in contact with one of my either VIPs or my retail or MPs, I can go into the customer search, and there's tons of advanced filters depending what you want to pull up for what you're searching for. But then I have access to the emails if I need to email something out to them. So that is just a really quick overview of some quick ways to quickly give an overview of the Monat website when you log into My Monat. So holler out if there's more questions. Would love to help you. Otherwise, that's all we have today. Thanks.